bibia kwa ba na no pay. And Fambra a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Silver Bar. Send it be a canon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now enjoy amazing content yourself on this very platform. And Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO jina kono. It's Kotoko against second D. 11 wise. Nah. After league in the co-break, ASANTE KOTOKO etimi bounce back. Ewo home eche Legon Cities. Esho mobile 2-0. Goes from Abrantia. Your friend Patrick Esiedu and Kwame Poku. Omone she gosi. Edema Kumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. Now, unim say Ebra FA Cup round of 16 or more bottom. That time now ASANTE KOTOKO they ato the Ghana Football Association and him say ombesromwa mentally, physically and psychologically club no any ready for the league. Because that time na Napoli that's so a fridge mo na chese ASANTE KOTOKO company for who say enya kama se Kotoko bebo a match Baba Sports to the miles na Napoli that's so a fridge mo nti omo de tom penny for any ma match no ye two share that ene abrewa ayi pomakwa mu match no baso Baba Sports Stadium enra news no address ASANTE KOTOKO anye training enra meeting komo ewure mu no the ma picking say initially it was communicated to Kotoko say the match against Samateso was going to be played on Friday, but in Penifo Pushi at the call a Saturday. Now, besides say they in a match no anchor a Sunday. Na in Chichimuni etiawa. Na me adama ukwada ASANTE KOTOKO against Young Apostles. Na say na awotwe Kotoko against Young Apostles. Team Penifo say Kotoko free Kumasi efiada na okobo Samates memene da no de kwesiada no etukwan de abe Kumasi na watimi abegina home edwada ene ebnada no kra no na wia na obesa ato aso de akọ brekum cause Kotoko Young Apostles no bebo no doma at the moment Wenchi Stadium ni anje antum Tibrekum Chelsea ebo matches ewo doma that's na ASANTE KOTOKO so and Young Apostles no so be koso ewo doma na Kotoko wia baba be bob Baseke Oli Stars kwesi ada ebe yi na awotwe ti akwantu de ebigu ASANTE KOTOKO animu pa omobo na wia otonom ye recovery Friday omo ye one training na Saturday Friday kura no mesa akọ asemo Friday no metu kwan na Sunday omaba back because some boy kwan de Kotoko beda ho ade tia no beba na wababe training na Tuesday was sent to kwan no asabo Wednesday so Kotoko let's say a busy schedule awo na nima akwantu rest akwantu training session and also so now the technical team decided say fitness of boy no boys na training ne kakra ye ti omo mo ma omo home enra Kotoko anye training na prepare nkomo ne de da so ho ene Kotoko team no pepe da manim ne de na se Isaka Abdul youth team player onya na ne start onya Kotoko team no ura against Legon Cities no obesa atwa so ene oda so ka team no defenders no okwa ASANTE KOTOKO youth team na Kotoko youth team the defender na yefena Lee Mohammed na captain no yefena Lee Mohammed nemum incommodie ni very simple for some time now no Godfred Kodua mum na ebo and Godfred Kodua ba ono na captain ti ene Godfred Kodua so ASANTE KOTOKO youth team no oka ho ono so ba benya senior team no emuewura nti na ese Avoka Isaka Abdul Godfred Kodua a defender TNT Kotoko Afre Kodua when your team no ewura da ba na aba be ka ho biem because They say Kotoko team no ma defenders no. Lord Amoa injured, so he's out of the game. Ball no onsia kind be. Na wa benya brantia. Your friend Joseph Ablo. Ablo ehontono. Recovery Asante Kotoko ye na Monday wa anyebi. Medical dia two enim say enro akra Kotoko anye training. Nti Ablo hontono. Nti Ablo nka ho. And Ablo is even suspended. So follow channel we are. There are too many say Ablo is suspended against Samates. The team no on Kahon. This is just defenders pa. And I'm Asante Kotoko team no man. Samba O'Neil, Patrick Esiedu, Henry Ansu, Michael Sefa, and Daniel Ajete. Ajete is even doubtful, but or make it team no man. And I have a tena bench kakra. And no ayon komodia air koso. It is all help to team na to say. Mranti no numbers no swat pa. Now, the good news is Justice Blay and Michael Che Jamna, though a more red card. But the Ghana Football Association, Ashishan Mrana said, Saudi red card a league and our servo or suspension. Sas now the red card a FA Cup no mu and our servo or suspension. Nti Blay any Che Jamna AD card a ASANTE KOTOKO boy against Inswatremai in the Ghana Premier League. Into almost suspension, they will serve it in the Ghana Premier League. And therefore, against 11 Wise, are eligible to play. Name 2 matches and almost 7. Say Blay be missing 2 matches. Kamara ever missing 2 matches. Che Jamana ever missing 2 matches. Now on say Omedi can serve 1 dada. That was the game of my boy against Legon Cities. So Bekaya Kotkone Legon Cities. And the Omobo summer test the anywhere. Kotoko Young Apostles were Domano, Justice Blay, Mohammed Kamara, and our brand friend Michael Che Jamana. Ebetimi aba besi akan. Ede amakumasi ASANTE KOTOKO. Ewo eyen shishedum. The go straight to the point. Ni enfan semnembrel. 2 goalkeepers and coach OGUM. Eton nsa frɛ no. Abrantia, a friend Frederick Asare and Benjamin Chum. Inti 2 goalkeepers are against Legon City so mobile team no. And one a coach OGUM assign a chance ewo ni team no ene. Frederick Asare, Mohammed Kamara. Asare is set to start. Frederick Asare and Benjamin Chum. Thank you very much. The Asare and the best starting at the Kotoko. Away from that, defenders no Owenya Samba O'Neil. Samba O'Neil. O team no be Patrick Esiedu Ewum, Henry Ansu, Michael Sefa, Daniel Ajete, and Godfred Kudia. We mo any players ene Kotoko echiro hono or make it team no. Nti defenders na numbers na drop it. Nti 6 defenders. Godfred Kudia, Samba O'Neil, Henry Ansu, Michael Sefa, and a Patrick Esiedu. The may pick it in terms of players ever started. Sefa, Ansu, Esiedu, and a Brantia, your friend Samba. We mune Mrantia may pick it. Some best started for ASANTE KOTOKO. Kaina said and so. Said Lord Epra on Kahon. Kwesi ASANTE ehon tono on Kahon. Ablo en Kahon. Nti no Kotoko defense no. Baby ejina say. Midfield Justice Blay, Samuel Tinidu, Intim Menu, Michael Che Jamana, Baba Yaya, and our branch of Emmanuel Entry. We mune midfielders are ASANTE KOTOKO team no omenya muura ene. Justice Blay, Samuel Tinidu, Intim Menu, Che Jamana, Emmanuel Entry, and Baba Yaya. Kaunu say, Sawunya midfield of Che Jamna, Justice Blay, any abranti of any Emmanuel Entry, ever ne given ma, share, and I know was coach, our matches be bred and him Che, ain't me boy against Samates, Blay ain't me bo. And Entry sono recently one say Yaya and Ebo. So coach Beppe say, Sam Rantene started against a clubber. The friend Legon Citizen. Obama match Obama home kakra. Ti Blay Che any Entry any the MA pick say omobeti me a starte. Any ma ASANTE KOTOKO ewo match. Any ho Isaka Abdog ewo team numbi. Avoka ewo team numbi. Oko Kotoko Division 1 na. Only player making the most assist 7. Inti Isaka asset 12 no. Avoka ya assist 7. So nkwalani mienu no. Ekase omo bomo den wo Kotoko youth team no ma. Omo ya ade pa. Na wenya branti e friend Dauda Saka. So wo team no bi. Wenya Isaac Minta na wenya Samson Eduku. Tinkrata e dam enimi de. Na se Kwame Poku ka team no ho. Eno ene de dam enim. Because the Mishishemu me hu Kwame Poku e wo team no. Se me na afa mani so dia ebre na be kire. But Peter ni ho, Albertamo ni ho. Ena me hu Kwame Poku. Me san bosu bi ma Fred Kasare Benjamin Chum, number 2 Chum, number 3 Samba 4 Siedu 5 Ansu 6 Sefa 7 Ajete 8 Blay 9 Tinedu 10 Intim 11 Che Jamana 12 Elvis Che Bafu Awuche Namba Awuche din 13 Babaya 14 Emmanuel Entry 15 Dauda Saka Samson Eduku 16 Isaac Minta 17 Isaka Abdul 18 na wenya branti e freno eye Avoka Maboba akwafa so Avoka 18 Che Jamana 19 and Godfred Kodua 20 nti no Kwame Poku ewo match mu na enim ho no se ohu eye a partnership of a brand TFN Elvis Chebafo Awuchi na uhu a brand tia efan Samson Eduku na uhu Isaac Minta ewo enim ho so a hwe na anya eye wanwa. This particular formation no more of a 3-5-2. Patrick Esiedu as a left wing back, Elvis Chebafo as a right wing back. Henry Ansu Samba and Sifa ewe Chiroho as the back 3. Justice Blay Che Jamana any Abranti Feno Emmanuel Entry the middle 3 and an attack of Samson Eduku any Abrantia FN Isaac Minta. We any the Kutame 3-5-2. Ansu Sefa Samba. Patrick Esiedu wing back. Elvis Chebafo wing back. Justice Blay Che Jamana any Abranti FN Emmanuel Entry as middle 3 and a front 2 of Isaac Minta and Samson Eduku. We any the Kutaya and Anope ye de bro awe yankomodie a peke e de free baba era sports stadium. Saka Dauda bejina home wo bench. Tinedu bejina home wo bench because ono ene se ko bo Samates match no. Misra mi kiremu yie. Ne ba ne saa wetimi a kire match robi. Che Jamana any Blay entimi mbo Samates ball no. What en komana se? Nti se we mu ball kwesi ada de a yen form ntana bench no mo je ma home kakra because me nu we ntimi nko so ma mo bone na mo sa akobo Samates na o stress yo mo ti ma we mu mbo cause we mu ntimi mbo na chese baba to o hwe mu ana ese bebrebe nya rest kakra Kwame Poku be nya rest baba ya be nya rest na wenya ye Tinedu ni intim ye nyire ni modern ba Kotoko hia sa amranti mienu we wo mfimfin ho omo be nya some degree of rest a momo eden embe stress na ure mu a na Saka na omo maka nti akirofo no eba be nya bi abo kakra e de abo Asante Kotoko. The last minute changes bi ba na coach sisa na adwen se obema avoka aba de a ni nyina e de be bro na ye de amount our last channel ways. Don't forget say Kotoko FA Cup ba ko no boy coach ma avoka starte and ma which it na bench. But based on Monday training in there, next person Sama che ibobiem for the fair match fitness. So now sisa na ye the training e kan the course on Monday recovery no my boys near no. How was if fashion team na omo toto omo nyoma no eno ene e dia enkomodie e dia bro our channel yi so. E be ko baba sports stadium na dey better from be dia bremo. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.